talk, yeah, let it be.
Yes, sir. What's up, people? It's your boy Brispy. We got the 636 taken apart right now. We got the whole old wiring harness right here. And we got a whole new wiring harness right here. Shout out to Midwest Chris. Luckily, there's some parts for me, but man, this thing's like more taken apart than it's ever been. Crazy. Started you guys off about halfway through. I already got the wiring harness pulled out. So all I gotta do is slap that bitch back in there, and hopefully that'll be the end of my problems, guys. Fuck. I've been chasing this issue. We slapped a new fuel pump in there, different fuel pump, and had the same problems. Different, was still doing weird shit. So we'll try this out, see where it gets us. I'll get back to slapping this fucking thing back in there. Let's go. Let's do it. Guys, it's pretty much in there. Just gotta get it seated and all these fucking wires plugged in, and it'll be good. I'll be right back. But I need my light, which is my phone. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. As of now, I'd say it's probably 90% of the way in. I mean, I think everything's plugged in, but I'm gonna take a break for this now. Come back in the morning, check on it. I've been working at this all day, so. But yeah, I'll check it out in the morning. Make sure everything's plugged in, and we'll see how she goes. Let's see. Catch you tomorrow. What's up, people? Good morning. We got that ground put back in there. So I think everything should be buttoned all up. Fuck. Only one way to find out, right? Let's do it, I guess. All right, just one more thing I want to say before I throw the battery in here and try to fire it up. The only reason I don't go through and tell you guys how to do all these plugs and shit is because I'm not a fucking mechanic, and I've actually never done this before in my life. This is my first time. So, I mean, if I go back and do something that I've done before and then I could do it again, show you guys, and be kind of professional, I'll tell you, but I mean, it is what it is for now. What I did do, being that it's my first time, is I did go from front to back, and I took all the plugs out starting from the front and just worked my way back with the other wiring harness laying right here, figuring out whatever I needed to unplug. So that's how I did that, and then when I put it back in, I just did everything back to front. Same shit, I mean. But if that helps any of you guys that have any issues trying to go through your wiring harness, and that's why you looked at my video, well, that's kind of what I did. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit. All right, guys, moment of truth.